Guys, Joshua Peterson Electric. Most of you guys are used to those mushroom lights. They are called a lot of different names, probably not good ones too, but typically a flush mount mushroom. You could take those down. This one had a 3.50 box versus a 4.0, and it's a puck. Go ahead and turn that on. Some of the older puck styles for the last few years had a little bit of a ballast on the back, and they didn't fit in the 3.5 box. So this actually is a flush one, and the whole design, they've really gotten better at this, is inside of this bubble. Let me turn on this light to help you. It's right inside of that bubble right there, that glass. So it's just flush on the back. So it works really well. So if you're looking for an idea in a hallway, for instance, this has venting up above, so you can't get a 6-inch can in. This works really well just to get a puck in there, so it still feels like it raised the ceiling, but it sticks down about 5/8 of an inch. Super bright lumens on that are probably close to about, I think, 500. And then it only runs about, I think, 8 or 12 watts. So it does get a little warm, but not nearly as much as you would with CFLs. So keep that in mind. This is a good idea to retrofit the house. It's pretty simple. Most people could probably do it, or you can just call us. All right, thanks, guys.